Welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to unhide a post from your Facebook timeline on a mobile device in 2020. So the first step is to not use the Facebook app. I could not get this solution to work on the Facebook app. If somebody has any ideas about this, please leave them in the comments below. But I did get it to work on a browser. So go ahead and navigate to your favorite browser. I'm using Google, and get to Facebook and make sure that you're logged in. Once you're logged in, you're going to be on your feed. Go ahead and click on your profile picture to enter your profile page. Once loaded up, you see that blue button right underneath your profile picture. It says Edit Profile. Go to the right-hand side of that blue button. We're going to see 3 horizontal dots. Go ahead and click on those dots. Then click on Activity Log. Here you're going to see all of your activity on Facebook. At the top of the activity log, you're going to see a button that says Filter. Go ahead and click on Filter. Halfway down of the page, you're going to see a selection that says Hidden from Timeline. Go ahead and click on Hidden from Timeline. Here you can see all the posts that you have hidden from your Facebook timeline, organized by date. To unhide a Facebook post from your timeline, go ahead and just click on the post, and then you're going to see an option open up where it says Edit Privacy and Show on Timeline. Of course, click on Show on Timeline. When you're all set with your changes, you can just back out with the arrow at the top left-hand side of the screen. And keep going until you have returned to your profile page, or you can of course return to your feed. Now these changes will be affected on the Facebook mobile app. It just takes some time. In any case, I really do hope this video helped you out. If it did, annihilate that like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And as always, thank you very much for watching. Take care.